Hello, it's day 2 of alfalfa. But we've been running nearly all day today, so it's really good. Dad had a great annual meeting speech. Did a great job speaking at his annual meeting. I just left Gabriel. I had to give him some waters, and he said that the water was coming in the cab, and I was like, he's not in the pond. How's water coming in the cab? There's clouds in the distance. Hello. It rained this morning. It was pretty nice. Woke up to it. Oh, it was beautiful. So we're planting into moisture today, getting that good alfalfa in the bed. But he said water was coming in the cab, and it was from condensation on his air conditioner. I guess there's enough humidity out today since it rained. Holy cow. And it's 97 degrees right now, that it was draining quite a bit, but it wouldn't go through the drain tube, so I got it all over me. We found us a wire to stick up in there, and had to take one tip off so that way it was easier to clean. Got it going. Just left him, headed over to Tucker to get him some water. He's been out of water for about 2-3 hours probably. He'll be all right. But I got him some water, and I'm gonna go back and work on some semi-trailers, trying to get them cleaned up so that way we can get some wheat seed cleaned, so that way we can start sowing wheat tomorrow. Maybe. I don't even know if that's a possibility. I sure hope it is. I want to be sowing some wheat or some rye really quickly, but who knows? We're gonna we could have a possibility of 4 tractors running at one time. Holy cow, that was rough. Was not ready for that. Do you know how much fun that would be? Do you know how much I'd pull my hair out though? But it'll be great. Oh, that's a big hole. About threw the dog off. We're gonna go say hello to Tucker. So, I just talked to Tucker. I'm gonna take over for him at 6. But I was looking at our neighbor's field, who we have been trying all summer to get out here with the speed disc and run over it. And that is hard as a rock, but this is also the rocky side. Some of it's all right, but it's got quite a bit of moisture to it. I think it might run in some spots, but we figured after the rain we might take a look at it and see if we were able to run. But some of it is quite hard. There's a lot of rocks out here, a lot more rocks than I thought there were. But I'm just taking a shovel, sticking it in the ground. See how it doesn't go very deep in that spot. There's kind of a rock there, but it's also pretty dry. Pretty dry down there. But if you kind of go up here in some different spots where cattle haven't been as much, it's a little bit different story. So I'm gonna go up here where he's got it fenced off somehow, and I just dropped that thing. Probably in stickers. He's got it fenced off somehow, and I don't really know how or why. But if it comes down to it, we'll just sow it without disking it, sadly. Ooh, please don't be hot. Good thing I didn't get into it. That wasn't near as bad. Whatever he's done over here, I don't think he's ran as many kibs. He ran a hot wire this way. I don't think he's had as many calves over here for as long. I know he had them over here because I drove over here not too long ago and they were over here. But if I'm gonna give him a holler and see what he thinks. I don't know. A couple places I've tried, it wasn't too bad. So maybe he'll give the go-ahead and we can come over here tomorrow and start at it. Got a long walk back to the pickup. Well, good morning. So you saw me check out with Gabriel. Well, things got a little hectic and I didn't have my camera around. I am sorry. We had a severe thunderstorm blow up within 5 minutes on us. Hailed. This whole yard looked like it snowed. And since we can't run the tractors this morning, we're gonna go catch some cattle. But I gotta unhook this little flatbed trailer. We had to pile all the alfalfa seed on this pickup and on the white pickup, so that way it wouldn't get wet while I was running away from the storm, because I had to go up north about 30 miles so that way I could get away from the storm, because I had all the seed on here. I couldn't make it back to the barn. It blew up so fast I just couldn't make it. But we're gonna have a little fun today with cattle. So Jimmy and Gabriel were actually already over here. But my gosh, they're already running to it. They know where to go. They know where to go. Let me entice them a little bit. Hello! Good morning. Now I got their attention. They know who I am. Hello. We'll get these gathered up in no time. We actually thought it was gonna be too wet because it had an inch of rain down here yesterday. Had 7/10 in the morning, and then I don't know what we had last night, but it technically was. I don't think it was rain. It was snow is what it really was, just very large flakes that were painful and violent. But I feel bad for the people who actually lost some stuff, because we had a neighbor. Well, Carson's daddy, he lost a barn. They had cattle out last night, so I told him if he had cattle out again, just holler. But he didn't have to holler. They don't have four-wheelers out yet, so I'm not gonna go over there just quite yet. Whenever they're ready, they'll let me know. It's go time. They're all around the pickups, so they were all around me, and then I guess they saw the sacks of alfalfa and hot feed, but no. But I'm sure we can just kind of ease around them here, and they'll just walk right up in there with me, as long as I can put out some feed before the pen and after the pen. We'll be good. We got lots of feed in here, so we'll be plenty good. But I didn't even know where they were. They snuck up behind me. Dad was like, "Ha, you gonna go?" "No, I don't know where you are. I'm not gonna go over there, but nobody has help." I said, "I'm right behind you." So you didn't see me? No, I'm blind in this truck. We're gonna get them in, no problem. Cause look at this. Look. They don't know what's coming. Actually, they do, but nobody felt like closing any of the gates, so we'll see how well this works out. I'm gonna dump just a touch of feed right here. Yeah, just like that. And I'm gonna go on in here. Ooh, Scared me. It was an antenna. And then start dumping. Ooh, we're putting out a lot of feed. That's enough feed. It's enough feed. Good grief. Put out five. Well, I didn't put out that much. I put out 400 pounds. That's not bad. But as long as they just keep kind of moseying up here. Now, that is rude. Somebody's bumping me back there. I'm just going to leave my foot on the brake. And hopefully I don't roll anywhere. Look at them being so professional and calm. It's like they've done this a time or two. Very nice. Very well executed. Very nice. Gotta get the gates closed. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, is he gonna do it? Oh, time. Now I gotta figure a way out of here. It's not hard, I just gotta keep backing up real slow. I gotta go. See how well I can do it by myself in this pen. You gotta have normally a person there in that little hole and a person in the other hole, but they just follow him. Diamond, come here. Get him. Get him out. 17 right there. Get him out. Ah. Get behind. Come here. Oh, that was 17 farts. Come here. No, sure. No, sure. There we go. 1, 2. There we go. Get him up. That'll do. That's it. Got 2 more loads. Had 90 on this place, so we Gabriel just been sitting over here waiting on everybody to get back. Oh my gosh, there's so many weeds. Diamond. Okay. 15.
How many's left?
15. So the plan is I am feeding about 20 head on a little 10-acre plot over here. They're gonna go back. Dad and Jimmy are dumping. I just met Jimmy. They're gonna go pick up all the four-wheelers, and I'm gonna meet them over at the pens. We may be going down south and getting more cattle. I don't know. That'd be kind of a shocker to me. But we can watch the feed come out. Maybe if I can get the window down. Tricky. 200 pounds is kind of difficult sometimes. Woo! Nobody wants to fix that. I would love for them to fix that. But we've already got some over here. The rest of them are being dummies on that side of the fence. I was hoping to get a pretty good look at them since they got all this hail on them. Ooh, that's soft. That is soft. Holy cow. I didn't almost get stuck, but it felt like it. Anyways, we'll go over to the west place, see what we need to do. We may need to sort something, I don't know. We'll see. So, we've actually been to Elmer and gathered some calves. All the calves down there, there was 56 of them. And we, I just got molasses all over me. I gotta do some math. Oh, better open that up. I gotta do some math. So, mixing a 2,000 pound ration, and I want 8% of it to be molasses. I think I'll kick it off now, because I really don't know. .08. No. No. $160. So I'm at 100. I need 60 more pounds. I got molasses everywhere, and now I'm gonna be sticky. But we hauled cattle in so that way we can sort them either today or tomorrow. And I don't know what it's gonna be either. It'll be one of the two. But But I'm mixing feed so that way where we put them won't. Oh, that's a jam. I don't know how to turn this one off. No, not that. I'll just turn it down. No. OMG. OMG, I can't figure this out. Turn down, thank you. But we moved them here in order to sort them. I've got to feed them so that way they have plenty to eat, because the grass isn't enough in those 2 pens we put them at. And Tucker and Gabriel are airing up the tires in the truck and trailer. And I should be done with this fairly quick. Sad that I don't have the front end loader over here because it is supposed to be planting alfalfa. That came to a sweet end with the rain. But I got corn and molasses in here, and gonna put a little hay in and we'll call it a day. That didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. It was just 2 scoops. Normally I can't get as much in there as I want to, so I have to take several scoops because the bucket is so much smaller. But I did see something at the Farm Progress show. It was a grapple bucket for a skid steer, and it was huge. I loved it, but I think they wanted too much for it, in my opinion. But I'm gonna put this skid steer up. I'm gonna go park the semi while they're parking everything out there. That semi's gotta be parked. Gotcha. Wow. Oh, jeez. But we'll be. I guess that can conclude everything. Anything else? I don't know what else to tell you. We're not doing very much because it's just so lovely out here today. Maybe tomorrow we'll do something cool. I don't know. But I got poo-poo on my hat somewhere. I don't know where. But we'll see tomorrow, next time, whatever. We'll see you. Oh, there it is, right there. Yeah, found it. Peace out, Girl Scout. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. I don't know if you can see it or not, but those skylights are busted. Every single one of them. That's how much hail we got, even over to there. Just all of them were busted. But don't you love hail? Hell of a deal. See ya.